Today we'll be talking about um, a continuation of things that you can do in Pandas as against things that are available in Danfo. So last time we saw a few examples with indices and so, but one of the most powerful function that is available here that I wanted to spend some time on is the interpolate operation. So the thing is, Danfo itself doesn't have the option to interpolate. Obviously, you can create your own functions to do so, but you have a plethora of options available here. So now the amazing thing about, as we saw the last time on the designer, was that you could just directly pull in and pull out files from here, resulted, um, and this can be used further as data frames inside the Prescient environment too. So this should, so one of the reasons why I'm spending more time on this is, so this should probably take care of most interpolation problems that we see as we get data from IoT sensors and so. A lot of times that data is unclean. There can be parts where there is missing data and so. So what this function really allows us to do over here is, so obviously you have the more basic ones where you can fill it out, where your data frame created over here can be filled out with the means of values, which makes it incredibly easy to use across your multiple rows. But the real power over here comes when we look at the second piece over here. So you have the option to replace in Danfo. You can replace, you can use mean, but you don't really have a function as powerful as interpolate in there. So how we do it over here is basically, so now you can see you have a set of these functions available here. This data frame available here, and this interpolate function in itself. So you can, just depending on the type of curve, so this could also have a polynomial behavior, and it would just fill in the gaps, and it's as simple as this. So the order basically tells you the power of the polynomial used over here, and so you have a bunch of linear techniques, polynomial techniques, and spline techniques over here. This makes it incredibly easy to use, as you can see. Like, you have this, if you have missing data anywhere and you're expecting certain outputs, you don't actually have to go and babysit the data set. These interpolation options actually do take care of them by itself, as you can see in the linear, polynomial, and spline form over here. They do get a lot more, you can use them in a more complicated setting as such, but what this does is, basically, even before you have your files loaded on Node-RED, you can just do an initial data pass over here, and you can extract it out of Node-RED from your IoT environment into this, and the other way around too. Just put it back, just depending on some advanced requirements like you have here. And the easiest way out, as we saw in the previous video, would probably be, you can just load these into a CSV and have that CSV transferred into NR, which makes things a lot easier. So yeah, this is something I wanted to bring out, since people don't really think about the ability to interpolate directly, and how much time this can potentially save in itself, instead of having to create your own custom functions here. Thank you.